Hey, good morning, guys. The date is 12th of April, and we are witnessing a huge cascade in the markets owing to the lockdown and owing to the surge in coronavirus cases. This was kind of expected over the weekends. We knew that SGX was going to gap down, and clearly it was kind of anticipated, but not on Friday. But last week, there were discussions going on in Maharashtra and some other states to impose the lockdown. But now that they are closing in on finalizing the decisions, and experts say that coronavirus second wave is way scarier than the first wave, so the markets are obviously reacting to the news. And this fall, we used that opportunity to buy a very few quantities of bank Bs. I'm not actually a fan of bank Bs because of the volatility and because of the high haircut on bank Bs. But I say मैंने छोटा सा quantity just मैंने trial के लिए मैंने buy किया some 50k, that's it. And we haven't placed any orders today, and even in the bank nifty account, nothing. We don't have any positions today. See, one point I want to drive across is you have to know what is your playing area, right? So अगर आप non-directional player हो, तो market will be giving you 80-85% of the times market will be giving you the opportunity to play. But आज it's not our day because the IV is rising, the VIX is rising, and there is fear, there is news-based, volatility in the markets, and we are witnessing around 60 point, 70 point candle in Nifty. Once the market already gapped down by 2% and almost moved 2.5% within the first 5 minutes, we don't know where the market's going to be bottoming out. So, not taking any chances, and maybe if you are an investor and if you want to invest in the stocks, now's the right time to add a few percentage of your amount to buy some of the stocks now, because this has been a very good dip. Of course, we don't know where the market's going to bottom out, but that's why phased investments करो, छोटे छोटे phase में मतलब करते रहो. And Nifty Bank, obviously it is at 30,700, and which is a very good price to buy is what I think, and because of that I've done. And apart from that, I won't be trading anything today, because even though the market halts, for example this ये phase में market halt करे किया तो भी, we didn't realize any gain in the straddles or strangles. I was watching the markets closely, I was watching the premium behavior closely. Because of the rise in IVs, we didn't get any much of the decay. But if you had placed directional straddles, or even if you had taken directional bet, of course that's a completely different thing. But for non-directional players, today is not the market. And if you have any open positions, non-directional positions, it's better to stay away from the markets for the next 1 week, at least positional wise. Intraday आप कर सकते हैं because the stop loss is in your hands. You have like a lot of control on your positions, but positional basis पे don't try to play with the markets right now, because कल 250-300 point gap up हो सकता है. We don't know, right? So I'm not taking any chances with the markets, and I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna just relax. And this high VIX is a very good thing for the current week's expiry. Once we get a clarity of the events by the day end or even by tomorrow, the expiry should have like very good premiums to trade with. So we'll be entering the expiry with good premiums, and let's try to make up for that. Let's try to play the expiry. But today, no, we are not trading. So that's it, guys. Like that's what I wanted to tell you. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपका स्ट्रैटेजी, आपका सेटअप, आपका साइकोलॉजी, आपका पर्सनालिटी किस टाइप का मार्केट सूट करता है. तो if your personality is not suiting a particular type of market, sit out. There is no compulsion for you to trade on a daily basis. Correct? ऑफिस की जॉब थोड़ी है यार, मतलब हर रोज काम करना है जैसे. Whenever you're comfortable, whenever you feel that the probability is in your favor, whenever you feel that the reward is stacked, stacked in your favor, only then go ahead and play. Or else, there's no point in playing the markets which are stacked against you, where the probabilities and where the odds are stacked against you. So just take the day off. So that's what I believe. So that's it, guys. I'll try to come up with any of the learning videos in the afternoon if possible. And अगर वो होता है तो, or else we'll see you tomorrow. Let's see what the market's going to be doing.